Correct sides facing each other. These are Scrunchie. The colours are just very me. That's what they're looking like. I love that. Wow. Wait to check this one out. Match up the seams. Buying some of these scrunchies that I've made. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Didsbury Art Studio and I'm Sally, and in today's video we're going to be making a load of giant scrunchies. I've got some fabric left over from when I did the mini scrunchies video and I'd like to make some huge ones. So, and also I want to have a go sewing up a few different colours to make up one giant scrunchie. So we'll see how that goes. All right then, let's get into this. So I'm going back to these fabrics that I absolutely love. And remember I did the mini scrunchies. Well, I want to go back to doing some giant scrunchies. A few of you have been asking me if I sell them, the giant scrunchies. So I thought I would make some scrunchies up and maybe put them on eBay, Etsy, and see how we go. But I thought that I would do a couple of different sizes today. So they are all 9 inches wide. This one is 32 inches. These 3 are 44 inches. And this one is 42 in length. I'm also going to try a mixture one. Do you remember I did another video which was the giant scrunchies with 2 different colours? This time I thought I would try a couple of different colours and make up a giant scrunchie from those. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm just going to do the runner stitch. I've lined up my presser foot and we're just going to go. I am going to do a slightly longer, I think it's probably just going to be a bit longer than this 44 inches. That's not straight. So I'm going to do the correct sides facing each other, like so. And just pin those together. And the same with the rest. I've just laid out the fabrics in the order that I want them to be seen. So again, correct sides facing one another. Line those up.
You film it?
Yeah.
Go on.
Little visitor. So I've just pinned in order of the colours that I want to sit side by side, and we are just going to sew along these lines now. So I've just sewn all of those together, and then I'm just going to turn it to the right side facing up, and then I'm just going to turn it over and just match up the seams there with a pin and a pin on there. clips. Like so. So we're going to get stitching. So now we just want to pin these the right way around. Going to see what this one looks like. Here's a friend. Hi. Hi, Layla. Hi, Layla. Oh, straight into bed. I've cut a couple of elastic lengths, 7 inches long for each one. That's what they're looking like. And there's Layla. Got my thread colours there. Got my elastic. Got my little cat, Layla. And then we're going to sew up the scrunchies. And grab your 7 inches of elastic and we're just going to thread it through the fabric. So you just want to scrunch up inside the fabric like so. Pop your elastic through. And then I'm literally just going to sew the 2 bits of elastic together. And then you want to line up your seams. I've actually changed the thread on top to match this colour because some of it's going to be seen in a bit. We won't get all the way around. Keep the, can you see? I'm just going to keep the presser foot lined up with the edge of the fabric. And I'm just doing runner stitch. It is the most boiling hot day today. It is stunning, but it's really hot in this room. So I'm just trying to get most of the way around as far as I can. That's probably as far as I'm gonna get. Let's just go backwards a bit. And then you just turn it around, line up that seam there. Tuck in the fabric. Maybe I might just pop a pin in there just to hold it. And then we're just gonna sew right on the edge of the fabric. So I've gone over that edge twice. Look how beautiful that is. Wow, such a lovely colour as well. Love it. Now I'm going to just use another colour to match this fabric. Do the same again. I'm going to get cracking on this and I'll come back to you after I've done a few more. seams. And that is that one. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colours. I love that. I've got to say, they are just aesthetically pleasing. They are making me very happy. This one, I need to make more of. How cool is that? With all the different colours in it. Love that. They've all worked out well. You can see that this one here is the one that had the least amount of fabric, and maybe we'll see when we try it on in my hair, but maybe that one might not be my favourite just because it had the least amount of fabric. And I think the more fabric, the more sort of the ruffles. These are scrumptious. Okay, I've got the scrunchies upstairs in the bathroom, and here's the first one. I've just wrapped it around twice. Fits beautifully. Wow! Wait till you check this one out. Oh, I love it. I've got to say, favourite so far. That is so unusual, isn't it? I love that. You guys are going to have to help me try and work out how much to charge for this bundle that I'm going to try and sell. That's the stunner too. Okay, they're all really nice. I think it's just because the colours are just very me. These are my colours. Anything that is colours, I love. Obviously you can style these whichever way you like. That's that one. It's quite a lot of fabric to sort of ruche up at the top there. And there's the last one. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video today and that you think about buying some of these scrunchies that I've made. I will let you know if I put them on eBay or Etsy soon, and I hope that if you haven't subscribed already, then you'd like to do so. I create a lot of content similar to this, so it'd be great to have you on board. All right then, I shall see you in the next video, and hopefully I'm going to be doing more videos over this next summer because it's nearly time for breaking up for the summer. All right then, bye.